We have an extra 1 minute, 30 seconds on the show, and I said, give me something good for mom. And you're gonna make a what?
We're doing a power smoothie.
Okay.
Okay, power, it's gonna be quick, and it's gonna be tasty and healthy.
So you've got the avocado.
I've got avocado, I put water, I put coconut milk, because you do need some flavor and fat.
Yeah, we were using the avocado for it makes a nice thick smoothie, but the fats in the avocado are so good for you.
So good for you, and they actually help you absorb the nutrients from other plants as well.
It's called a carrier. So
Yeah.
along with olive oil, flax oil, even walnuts, the oils from walnuts are all super good for you.
And that went in as well, same with a little bit of pumpkin here.
And a little trick about walnuts, after 3 days, you will have satiety after eating it. It'll make you feel full, so walnuts are really good for mom.
Fantastic.
And one other thing, people will say, well, if I'm breastfeeding, should I be having any kind of nuts? There is nothing that says that you can't be having nuts or that you pass on something to your child, so you're good to go, but check with your doctor.
We're good?
Good.
Here we go. Okay. And so if you want the smoothie sweeter,
Yes.
by all means add a touch of honey, add some agave syrup.
Okay.
But if you want just a natural smoothie, here you go.
You don't have to be breastfeeding or having a baby
To
to have this. Cheers.
Cheers.